Like other Fitbits and most fitness trackers, the specs inside, other than the sensors and battery, don't really paint a picture of what your experience might look like. The Alta runs on Fitbit's own software and differs beyond comparison to other, more capable wearables and smartwatches, such as anything running Android Wear, or the watchOS running Apple Watch. Fitbit Alta. What is important to point out about the Alta's specs is that they allow it to do everything it sets out to do with ease and relative grace. Under the tough, plastic hood of the display, there's a no-LED screen that's never difficult to see. Beneath the screen, the Alta comes stocked with an accelerometer, which tracks your steps and can kick into Smart Track after 15 minutes of consecutive activity. This wearable operates over Bluetooth 4.0, and also features a vibration motor, an essential ingredient in today's connected devices. It buzzes to notify you of texts and calls, and provides a celebratory array of pulses when you bust your fitness goals wide open. The battery life is the real star inside of Fitbit's latest fitness tracker. Once we received our review unit, we topped off the charge and let it drain. To our delight, the Alta lasted for a week and change. And that's with constant use, too.